If you want to delete a song from your iPhone without deleting it from the iTunes library, we have 4 methods to help you achieve it. Method 1. How to delete music from iPhone, but not iTunes using iOS Transfer. iOS Transfer is a powerful program to help people manage any iOS devices, like iPhone, iPad, and iPod. By using this software, you can delete multiple or specific music files from iPhone. Method 2. How to delete music on iPhone, but not iTunes via Settings. Unlock iPhone, go to Settings, General, select Storage and iCloud Usage, Manage Storage, then tap Music. Tap Edit at the top right, delete all songs, or select a song to remove by tapping the red minus sign. Method 4. How to remove music from iPhone, but not iTunes via iTunes. Connect iPhone to computer via USB. Open iTunes, ensure it's updated. Click the device icon at top left. Select Music tab. Check Sync Music. Uncheck songs or albums to delete. Then click Apply.